Hello, welcome to Tony Tuesday. Over the past few weeks, a lot of customers have asked me about the windshield inside of it. It's getting real foggy. I have a simple solution, no chemicals. As a past references, I always mention a chamois. This is what we call a chamois. You can dry off cars. Also, you can do your windows with it, along with a microfiber cloth. And I want to show you the inside of how foggy inside of a windshield might get. Real simple solution. Chamois, microfiber. Take your microfiber, fold it into like a square. Make sure it's damp. Just with water, no chemicals needed. Take your chamois and go in a square motion. Just wipe. Keep wiping. Then take your microfiber, fold that in a square, and go over the white. And this thing also will wipe off any bug residue that you have. Like right up here on top, and go right back over with the microfiber. Water and the microfiber. The inside of your window should last longer than normal chemical sprays for its Windex, aerosol window cleaner. This will last longer for your windows not to get foggy anymore. Well, that's it for Tony Tuesday. I'll see you next week.